Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to attach false lashes. Whether you're a beginner or had problems with attaching lashes, you can never go wrong with this technique, and this is the only technique that I've been following for years. I had posted a similar video a couple of years ago, but this is a more updated, more detailed version. So without further ado, let's get started. For demo purpose, I'm going to be using my current favorite lashes. These are Brazen from Black Label. When you open the lashes from its package, you don't have to get confused because the left side lashes will be attached on the left side of the package and your right eyelashes will be on the right side of the package. A tweezer such as this one will always come in handy. To detach lashes, lightly pull on the sides holding the lash band and not the lash hair, and the lash should come off quite easily. Next, we need to make sure that the lashes are comfortable when we wear them. The lash bands can prick and cause irritation in the inner part of the eyes. And if it's too extended in the outer corner, it can look heavy and pull your eyes down to make it look droopy. So the ideal length is from where your lashes begin in the inner corner to where they end in the outer corner. So I'm going to measure the lashes by placing it on my natural lash line without the glue, and I'm going to trim the excess. I'm going to start by cutting off the excess that is in the inner part of the lash band. That's the one that usually causes the irritation. And then I'm going to start trimming only in the outer part of the lash. Make sure to trim very little at a time. You can always place it back on your lash line, and if there's any excess, trim a little bit more. I'm going to measure it one more time, and this time it seems to be perfect. Make sure to flex the lashes so you get the desired curve to match up with your natural lash line. Next, I'm using a curler to curl my lashes. This makes a huge difference and looks so much more flattering. Here's an optional tip. When you apply eyeliner, it helps to conceal your lash band, so overall your lash line will look really clean after applying the false lashes. Next, I'm also going to curl my natural lashes to match up with the false lashes. And to hold that curl in place, I'm going to apply a coat of mascara. I'm using the Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit. The lash glue that I absolutely love is the Star Glue because you don't have to wait for those 30 seconds after applying it on the lash. It pretty much dries instantly. This one isn't dark. They also have a transparent one. I'm going to take a small quantity on an angled brush. This one is from Coastal Scents. You can use any small angled brush or a flat brush. And instead of applying it on the false lashes, I'm going to apply it on my lash line. As you can see, I'm just dotting it. All you need is very little. With most glues, you have to wait for about 20 seconds till they get tacky before you attach the lashes. But with this glue, there's no downtime. So all I have to do is place the lash on top of the glue. And then I press my two lashes together and I'm done. With this method, you get it right every single time. You don't have to worry about the glue smudging or your lash knot sticking. This is the only way I've done it with zero problems so far, and I've been doing makeup for years. And just keep in mind, whether you apply the glue like I just showed you or you decide to apply the glue directly on the lash band of the false lashes, it is still going to touch your skin. So you don't have to be worried about it causing any allergies or flowing into your eyeballs. That's not going to happen. That's pretty much it, you guys. How easy was that? And the way you take off the lashes is, again, loosen it on the outer end and slowly pull it off, holding on to the lash band and not the hair. And then you store it back in the package. You can use most lashes multiple times, on an average 6 to 12 times, depending on the quality of the lash. If you plan to try this method, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My social media links are listed below in the description box, along with all the products that I used today. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment below and let me know if you want to watch more videos like these. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys.